let's draw a butterfly.
Artsy with Mariah.
So I'm starting out with a blank piece of paper and I'm using a black marker and I'm going to use crayons to fill in the butterfly. So we're starting off with the head, which is a circle, and the body and the wings. I like to make the wings at the top of my butterfly extra big and the wings at the bottom a little bit smaller, just to give it that classic butterfly shape. So I am going to do 2 antennas on the top of the butterfly head, and I like making mine a little squiggly. I just think it's kind of fun. And then to add a little bit of personality to the butterfly, we're gonna put a smiley face on it. So 2 eyes and a simple little smile. I just think it's so cute. And now we're gonna kind of decorate our butterfly. So I like to add circles on the inside, and you could even do squares, you could do triangles, you could do squiggles, anything on the inside to just help it give it a little pop. And then we can begin to color in the main part of our butterfly. And today I'm going to do a little bit of yellow. I think a yellow butterfly would just be really happy looking, but you could do something like a green butterfly or a blue butterfly even. The sky's the limit basically, and you can come up with any color combination that you want. I think I'm going to do yellow on the wings, and then I'll maybe do pink because that sounds fun today. So a little trick that I have when I want to color inside the lines of my drawing is I like to go along the lines and color along the lines, and then after I do that, then I fill in with my crayon the colors, and that helps me not accidentally go outside the lines. So again, you start along the lines and then you color in around that. So we'll do yellow on the wings too, and then I think, you know what, I think we'll do a little bit of red inside the wings. That might be a little fun. So what if we take some red and we put it inside these little dots right here. So again, just kind of squiggle it in. I like using crayons when I'm drawing, so I'll do a black marker on the outside and then I'll color it in with crayons. It's just nice and easy and mess free. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the center of our butterfly, coloring it in. So we'll do the face. Again, here's that pink that I just think is so fun. And then we'll color pink in on the body. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Artsy with Mariah.